Hi everybody, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mummy, and I have some all new, easy, and budget-friendly Halloween ideas for you. So let's get started. I recently found these colorful witch brooms at my local Dollarama, and I knew they'd be really cute for a broom parking display. I picked up this piece of foam core, cut it into a sign, and covered it with some dollar store contact paper. As you can see, it slides right in behind a dollar store over the door hanger. To dress up my sign a little bit, I used my Cricut to make a broom parking decal, and it included a little broom. If you don't have a Cricut, you could just use dollar store stickers, or you could use a Sharpie, or you could use some paint. Then, to add a little extra detail to my sign, I used some dollar store electrical tape to make a little frame around the foam core. When my sign was finished, I popped it in, added some accessories, including the cute purple broom that I found at the dollar store, and that was it. I've recently become obsessed with these floating glass dollar store frames and the seasonal window clings that they have. So I thought I would put them together for Halloween. You put the decal between the two panes of glass and you have instant artwork. I also love these dollar store cloches. I think they're really versatile for a lot of different things, so I thought I would put a Halloween spin on this one. This is so easy. I took some stuffing out of a dollar store pillow. You could also use cotton balls, and I just filled it up. Then I used my Cricut to make little stickers for 2 eyes and a mouth. You could also just use electrical tape or paint markers, but I have a Cricut cutting machine, so that's what I used. How adorable is this little ghost? I thought it'd be fun to add some sound effects to my Halloween decor, and I found this fun item at the dollar store. And when you push the sensor, which is under a mat, it makes a sound, and here's how it works. I also wanted to share this super creepy dollar store find. I found this creepy baby head and I decided to pair it with some dollar store flickering candles. And I think this is really, really creepy and cute for Halloween. Thanks for joining me, and if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Talk to you soon. Bye.